Hey Dad.
Yes, Caillou.
Can I go see the fireworks with my friends tonight?
No, you may not.
Why not?
Because you are still grounded. That's why.
But today is the 4th of July, Dad.
The answer is still no, Caillou. Now go back to your room.
I still want to see the fireworks, but this is so unfair. What is it, Gilbert? No, you want me to jump out of the window. That sounds a great idea, Gilbert. You're a genius as usual. Thanks a lot, Gilbert. Now I'm off to see the 4th of July fireworks. So long, suckers. Ha 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 ha.
Hey, Caillou. You're just in time for the fireworks.
It's great to see you, my friends.
The fireworks is about to begin now.
Where have you been, Caillou?
I went to see the fireworks with my friends.
Caillou. We can't believe you went to see the 4th of July fireworks with your friends while you are still grounded. I told you not to, but you did not listen to me. That's it. You are grounded. You are grounded. You are grounded for an additional 1 year.
That means you are grounded on federal holidays, even Christmas. You get no presents, no movies, no vacations, and no holidays. Now go back to your room and don't even think about coming out ever again.